my dear learners. How are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National International School Morning Sheet. Today I'm going to take your English first paper class of class 8. Okay, so I will take your English first paper class. This is your book English for today, class 8. So we will start today Unit 1, Lesson 2. We will discuss today Lesson 2, Nokshikata. And Unit 1 is a glimpse of our culture. So let's start our today's class. So let's see our today's class, class 8, subject English first paper, topic Unit 1, Lesson 2, discussion. Term of family, lecture 1, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date 21/2021. So let's start our class. So you can see class 8 subject English first paper, unit 1, lesson 2, Nokshikata, half yearly exam, lecture 1. So read the text and answer the question 1 and 2. Nokshikata is a kind of embroidered quilt. So embroidered means decorated with patterns, sewn with thread, and quilt means clothes. We say Nokshikata. So the name was taken from the Bengali word Noksha, which means artistic pattern. It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. So traditional means conventional, that has been coming from generations, and indigenous means our own, native, our own country, that belongs to our country. So the art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. The name Nokshikata became popular after the poet Joshimuddin's poem Nokshikata Mad was published in 1929. Traditional kanthas are made for family use. Old or new cloth and thread are used to make these quilts. Mayunsinh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogra, and Jashore are most famous for this craft. Famous means renowned, eminent, and craft means art, offered or art. Now it is produced commercially. You can find them in many expensive handicraft shops in cities. So expensive means costly. So the quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and designs embroidered on them. Okay? So you know Nokshikata, every people of our country use this Nokshikata at home. Let's see the word, English meaning as synonyms. Words embroidered, English meaning decorated with patterns, sewn or with thread. Synonym embellished or magnified. Traditional, existing in or as part of a tradition, long established. Conventional, customary is a synonym. Indigenous, originating or occurring naturally in a particular place. Native, homespun. Pattern, a model or design used as a guide in needlework and other crafts. Synonym, design or decoration. Commercially, in a way that is concerned with buying, selling, and making a profit. Synonym, business, merchandising. Expensive, costing a lot of money. Synonyms, costly, exorbitant, valuable, demand, and insistent, and peremptory request made as a right. So need, synonym need, famous, known about by many people, and synonyms renowned, eminent, or noted. So let's do number 1. So in your exam, you have to one scene comprehension will come in your exam. You'll have to answer 2 questions. One is Number 1, choose the best answer. Number 2 is question answer. So let's do number 1. Choose the correct answer to the each question from alternatives given and write the corresponding number of the answer in your answer script. So let's do number 1. Number 8. The word cat in line 2 of the text means device, asset means property, and art, and number 4 properties. The property, asset are the similar words, synonyms, and device means device. And so our answer will be craft means art in this passage. So number B, the word demand in line 9 of the text means price, need, popularity, familiarity. So demand means in this passage need. We'll move to next page. The word expensive in line 8 of the text means expensive, cheap, opposite of expensive, costly, economical, local. So these 3 are the similar words. So the answer will be costly. Number D, traditional kantha's are made for. Traditional kantha's are made for business purpose? No. Artistic purpose? No. Aesthetic purpose means beautifying purpose. And number 4, family purpose. So traditional kantha's are made for family use. We use at our home. Number E, where can the embroidered quilt be found now? In the museum, in luxurious outlet, in all showrooms, in limited showrooms. So we can find in the big cities luxurious showrooms, luxurious outlets. Okay, the same. Number 8, how did the name Nakshikantha become popular? After folk tradition? No. After the famed name Nakshikantha? After Joshimuddin's poem? After Joshimuddin's play? Okay. No, Joshimuddin's not play. The answer will be after Joshimuddin's poem Nakshikantha was published. So answer will be after Joshimuddin's poem. Number G, what are the elements needed for the quilt? Old cloth or thread? Old or new cloth or thread? New cloth and thread, needle and thread. So we need old or new cloth or thread. We can use old cloth, new cloth, or any thread. So in your exam, you will have to answer only 7. So the base answer will come. Extra questions. Let's practice extra questions. Number 8. The word indigenous in line 2 of the text means indigestion, no, native, indigestible, indignant. So indigenous means native. The word traditional in line 2 of the text means rule, custom, conventional, convention. So custom and conventional are very close to traditional, but traditional is adjective. So we have to find adjective. The answer will be conventional. Number J, the word pattern in line 2 of the text means decoration, no, design, mark, embellishment. So the word pattern means design. The word artistic in line 2 of the text means arts, fine, nice, of art. So artistic means in this passage of art. Number L, the word produce in line 8 of the text means give, supply, provide, create. So produce means create something. The answer will be create. The word trade in line 6 of the text means yarn, thread, yard, field. So the word thread means yarn in this passage. Number 8, Nakshikantha. The spelling is mistake here. N-A-K, this is I. This will be K. So Nakshikanthas are in great demand because they are embroidered, designed and colorfully embroidered, colorful and designed. So Nakshikantha is popular because they are designed and colorfully embroidered. Number 4, the word famous in line 7 of the text means renowned, notorious, opposite of famous. Famine, famine, and fame. So the answer will be famous means renowned, celebrated, noted. Number P, the word old in line 6 of the text means aged, firmer, ancient, used. So you must be very careful with this one. Old means aged, old people. So in this passage, it is said that old clothes. So old clothes means the clothes you have used. So in this passage, old has been used as used. Old means used in this passage. Okay, not used, not aged old people. The word colorful in the line of the text means dull, dark, bright, dry. So colorful means bright. Number R, the word kind in line 1 of the text means sympathetic, short, sympathy, benevolent. So kind means benevolent. So number 2, answer the following questions. Number A, when did Nakshikantha become famous? So I have to move. Can I move here this line? So you can see the name Nakshikantha became popular after the poet's Joshimuddin's poem Nakshikantha was published in 1929. So come here. So we have to take the subject first, Nakshikantha. As did is given there, verb will be passed from. Okay. So Nakshikantha became famous after publishing the poem Nakshikantha. So what is Nakshikantha? So you can see the passage is given. Nakshikantha is a kind of embroidered quilt. So what is Nakshikantha? The subject, we have to take the first subject, Nakshikantha, then verb. Nakshikantha is a kind of embroidered quilt. Number C. Why are the traditional kanthas made? You can see in the passage that traditional kanthas are made for family use. So, our answer will be, we have to take the subject first. Again, this is the subject. The traditional kanthas, then verb, are, and then verb. Then the main verb will come. The traditional kanthas are made for family use. Number D. Which areas are most famous for this craft? So again, we'll go to the passage. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogra, and Joshua are most famous for this craft. So let's go to the questions. Which areas are most famous for this question? So Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogra, and Joshua are most famous for this craft. So that's all today for the students. Keep practicing at home. Keep practicing at home. Self-study at home. So I want to say goodbye for today. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everyone.